Hi, everybody. Brenda Gustin here, and I just wanted to give you some feedback about exam number two. Overall, I was really happy with exam number two. I think the average, well, I don't think, I know the average was definitely higher than it was for exam number one. In fact, a third of the class got 10 to 30 points higher than they did on exam number one. And that tells me that there are things that people can do to improve performance. When I look at some of the really basic things and I see people missing them, it just tells me you just didn't study enough. If you're not sure how to improve your performance, come talk to me. I mean, I know a lot of people know how to improve their performance. It's just putting in more time in the course. But if you really are stymied and you have no idea why you're not doing well or you'd like to do better, remember I have office hours. Go check out the syllabus. You can talk to me before, after lab, and emails, whatever. So I'm glad to try to help you. I did add 2 points to the final exam just because there was a question that was kind of low. I don't even remember what it is anymore, but I just thought, oh, maybe I didn't get it across very well, so I added 2 points. Um, Please review your exams. Remember in the syllabus under the place where it describes the course structure that it tells you how to access your old exams. On the last exam of the semester, exam number 4, I actually am going to go revisit exam 1, 2, and 3 and find some of the questions or very similar questions and put them on exam number 4. So I want you to be looking at these exams and making sure you understand why you got things wrong. The other thing I wanted to tell you right now is we're kind of in a transition in the semester. So we're going from, let's see, week 3 to week 4. And what you'll notice is week 4 and 5, we actually only have class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So things slow down a little bit. And I do this on purpose. I've learned over the years that people kind of start losing momentum towards the end of the course. So I build in a little bit of extra time. And I'm hoping that you use that wisely. So there won't be Thursday lectures. So everything needs to be done by Friday afternoon or Friday by the end of the day. Um, you can see any changes that I've made. I post them on Blackboard. I actually spread out a little bit of the lecture information um, on week number 4 as I'm posting it. So any changes that I make, I try to make it very clear on Blackboard. Generally, I don't shorten times. I actually extend them. The one exception that I have is our unknown report is due on Monday of week 4 instead of Tuesday or Wednesday. And maybe in lab it's been explained to you why that is, but unknown report is due Monday, which you should have plenty of time to do that, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. Let's see what else. So as you get a little bit more time, a couple hours of lecture are cut out, there's things that you can do like working on your oral presentation. That assignment is in the lab manual. It's at the end of the lab manual. And that's something that you can work on well before it's ready. So week 4, I would highly recommend that you get working on your oral presentation. It doesn't take terribly long, but it takes a chunk of time. So I would definitely get moving on that. The other one is we have, for the rest of the semester, we just have a few lab reports to do. And one of the things you're going to find is those lab reports sometimes can be finished in lab. The hand washing one is your first one, and that's a great example. When you get your results at the beginning of week 4, I would recommend sitting in lab and finishing it. So look it over before you come to lab and finish the report in lab, because that way you can get it done and hand it in and it's out of your hair. One less thing to worry about. Probably everybody or almost everybody has a phone that you can use it to look up information. So I would recommend using your time in that way. Again, a lot of, if you need more study time, there's ways to get it. You just have to be working smart. So here I am after exam number 2, encouraging you to get ready for exam number 3 in week 4. And really, we're on the downhill here. So good job so far. Please let me know if you have any problems or questions, and take care.